Hello, everyone. My name is Hannah Maryanski, and I'm an Associate Project Coordinator at SEI. My pronouns are she, her. I'm excited to be representing the SEI research team and presenting our findings and recommendations on building energy modeling, education, and training in California. The SEI research team is grateful for the support of Southern California Edison, CalBEM, and 2050 partners, as well as for the insights that were shared by Working Group 2, our subject matter experts and interviewees. The report will have much more information on the folks who shared their time with us. And in a similar vein, this is a really high-level overview, but there's lots more detail and nuance in the report with respect to our findings. So why invest in education and training for building energy modelers? These investments create a skilled workforce that's key for helping California reach its energy savings goals. By supporting these opportunities and investing in that human side of modeling, we can improve the quality of BEM statewide. One research question we investigated is who needs this training? Our interviews revealed that people are still commonly learning some form of building energy modeling on the job, or they might start their building energy modeling training via programs like Energy Code ACE and the CEA that are industry resources outside of higher education. College and university students enrolled in architecture, engineering, building science, and construction tech courses are also audiences for BEM education. In addition, consumers of building energy modelers, such as developers, contractors, and architects, are another audience. Interviewees remarked on the importance of these consumers understanding the value proposition and design capabilities of building energy models. Finally, there's a small audience of people who could benefit from an introductory BEM education, such as high school students who might later want to pursue a career in the field. We also cataloged existing educational resources with assistance from Working Group 2. We divide resources into four main categories, which are industry resources, college and university programs, certifications, and teacher training. Our recommendations are structured as general statements, and then there are many specific recommendations within each category. Based on what we learned about target audiences and existing resources, one recommendation is to raise awareness and generate excitement around BEM as a career path to encourage pursuit of BEM careers and education programs. Great educational resources already exist for BEM, but raising awareness around building energy modeling as a career helps ensure that those resources are used. One specific idea in this category is promoting a current best practice we learned about from faculty, which is sharing information about building energy modeling career paths and continuing education opportunities in the classroom. Another idea is sharing career and labor market information in venues like job fairs. Positioning building energy modeling as one of many green careers is a key way to attract people into the profession whose values and motivations might align with the effort to fight climate change. We also asked interviewees about the knowledge, skills, and abilities that are essential for energy modelers. The top responses are displayed on this slide. Of course, these may not apply to every use case, but we also investigated the gaps in teaching these essential KSAs. In general, interviewees expressed praise for the existing BEM education and training resources and their ability to teach these KSAs, but some areas that could benefit from either further awareness building around the resource or further development of resources include building science, continuing education for complex modeling problems, and educating consumers of energy models about building energy modeling's value proposition and design uses. From examining these KSAs and their gaps, we recommend advocating for and supporting targeted education for fields that come into contact with building energy modeling, whether these fields are actually conducting building energy models or consuming them. Specific steps in this category include cross-training engineers and architects on BEM lessons from the others' fields, and partnering with industry organizations that serve consumers of energy models to determine the best ways to disseminate building energy modeling information into their workforces, such as through conference presentations or continuing education credits. Finally, our findings generate the recommendation of promoting professional certifications among energy modelers. Professional certifications such as the CEA and BEMP ensure a baseline level of knowledge that would increase the quality of building energy modeling among entry-level modelers especially. Furthermore, continuing education requirements for these certifications incentivize that continuous use of quality education resources that we found. So thank you again for joining this presentation. If you'd like to connect with me or SEI, my email address is on the screen, and I look forward to taking your questions.